Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla technical series. In this video, we are going to see how we can uh, set up default visible column inside Horilla list view. Okay, when you check on the Horilla list view, by default it will be visible all the columns available inside the column list. Here you can see by default it's all checked. In some cases, may you have some default columns. So in that case, there is a attribute called default columns. Yeah, default columns. Okay, here we can provide the same tuple item available inside the columns that you want as the default. I'm going to provide employee, shift request, and the requested date. Now let's restart the server. Okay, let's restart the server. Now let's wait. Yeah. Now when I check inside the our custom shift request and refresh, here you can see it's now only visible the 3 column, like 4 column employee, 3 column employee, requested shift, and request date. When I check the 3 dot over the right, here you can see only that elements is enabled, the columns is enabled. So using the default columns attribute or property available inside HorillaListView, okay, you can decide whether which columns are need to be visible by default. I hope you are understood this video. If you have any doubt or queries, you can add it inside the comment. Thank you for watching.